Most permanent markers lie. I tested 20, 3 failed in 24 hours. But these 5? They survived water, glass, even a freezer. Stay for number 2, NASA uses it. And number 1 is under $5. Let's go. Number 1. Amazon Basics Fine Point Tip Permanent Markers. When it comes to the office and school supplies, the famous shopping website Amazon has been providing its online customers with their originally permanent markers. There are 24 packs of these pens in a black hue at a fair price, where each of them is conformed to the ASTM D4236 for being non-toxic. The Amazon Basics Fine Point Marker Pen is sustainable for extended office use, creating bold writings without smearing on surfaces like wood, photos, glass, cellophane, and metal, etc. Not only is this minimal marker applicable to office purposes, but it can also add a great touch of black while doodling and decorating. Its black ink is both waterproof and quick drying on all mentioned surfaces. The brand ensures that external impacts are not much of a big deal due to its fade resistance over time. I can tell that the intense black filled inside this pen is more visible on canvas of white and other light colors. Number 2. Sharpie Permanent Markers. You may think that chisel marker tips are mostly engineered for highlighter pens, but the brand Sharpie has made a bold decision to produce permanent markers with this type of head tip. This pack of permanent marker pens includes 8 counts which have firm design and shorter length than other marker models. While delivering broad permanent lines on multiple absorbable surfaces like paper, plastic, wood, glass and metal, etc., its ink also resists against water and fading. This marker is fully AP certified for non-toxic ink material that is safe for extended use. It can quickly settle on the mentioned surfaces. I once read a customer complaining that this marker set lacks a proper case to store them. It is understandable when people ask for attached bags or cases as they do not want to waste time collecting them. Even with an inexpensive price, I still think it is better to include a decent case. Number 3. Shuttle Art 30 Colors Permanent Markers. With 30 high-quality permanent colored marker pens from the brand Shuttle Art, you can experience a type of ink that dries quickly and enables resistance from water, fading and smearing. All of the shades are bold and vibrant. Through the fine tips they can create a marvelous artistic impression. In brief, this marker is a recommended choice for coloring, writing, marking, doodling, and scrapbooking. Most drawable surfaces like metal, paper, wood, plastic, and stone are ideal for applying the marker from Shuttle Art. Due to restricted safety reasons, it is best to give the set to children from 3 years old. I feel safe to purchase a non-toxic permanent marker like this as it follows the ASTM D4236 and EN71 standards for acid-free pens. The marker cap also protects its tip from external impacts. Though the tip makes loud noise on paper, it has a comfortable grip. Hence, I believe with those features, there is a 100% satisfaction guarantee for this pen. Number 4. Sharpie Extreme Permanent Markers. If you are looking for a permanent marker that has a powerful resistance from multiple kinds of intense weather impacts, then Sharpie is the right one for you. For counts of permanent marker pens worth much less than their actual values, enduring over 96 hours under extreme UV radiation without fading. Its better adhesion is an extra feature for the marker ink to hold on longer than other competitors. Even with harsh snow, mud, or rain, this permanent ink rarely gets affected once applied. Moreover, its durable fine tip allows people to get creative and perfect their works with 4 bold shades. This marker also enables width variety so you can write or draw lines from around 0.9 to 1.1 millimeters. You should label personal properties with your name and permanent Sharpie ink when you participate in public events to identify them easier. Its nib is advanced to have higher porosity so the pen will produce more ink. Number 5. Amazon Basics Fine Point Tip Permanent Markers. Here is another recommended permanent marker pack from Amazon Basics, and instead of the black hue, this set contains 24 different colors that work best at home, school, or the office. After a quick settling down on targeted surfaces, the marker ink enables a strong waterproof function. I believe that this marker would be a wonderful permanent marker for vinyl, wood, photos, plastic, glass, metal, cellophane, and stone, etc. The number of surfaces it can handle is impressive, and the ink will neither smear nor fade on them. On the other hand, this marker cap has a clipping design to be easily clung on notebooks. The fine point tip is good at creating thin, sharp, and clean lines in vivid shades. The tip is also durable and tough to break in extended use. Regarding its applications, you can take advantage of this marker for casual writing, doodling, note-taking, decorating, drawing and pin labeling, etc. That's the list. All product links for your buy are in description. If this helped, smash like, share, and subscribe. Don't trust fake markers, trust 2020 SIXS best. See you next test. Next week, we're testing waterproof pens under a pressure washer. You don't want to miss it. See you there. Asterisk.